So, friend, let me take you on a journey into the world of Python programming, specifically focusing on loops. Loops, as you might guess, are like the roller coasters of coding. They allow us to repeat certain tasks as many times as we wish. But first, why loops, you ask? Well, loops are crucial because they empower us to handle repetitive tasks or automate processes that would otherwise overwhelm us if done manually. Let's dive right in with our first topic on the agenda today, So, imagine you have a list of items, like your favorite movies, and you want to print them out. In Python, we don't have to manually initiate each print statement for each item. Instead, we can let Python do the work for us using a for loop. Look at this: Python movies is equal to for movie in movies, print. See how Python cycles through each item in our movies list and prints it out, all on its own. That's the power of loops. Moving on, there's also Now, imagine a situation where you don't know exactly how many times to repeat a task. Like flipping a coin until it lands on its head. This is where the while loop comes in useful. Here, we keep flipping the coin until we get heads. The code would appear something like this: Python import random outcome is equal to while outcome is equal to heads, outcome is equal to random.choice print. Look at how Python patiently continues to flip our coin until we land on our desired outcome. Let's now turn our attention towards a special type of loop, Let's say we're doing number guesses. Once we guess correctly, we'll end the game. Here's how Python could write the code: Python secret_number is equal to 7, guess is equal to none, while guess is equal to secret_number, guess is equal to int, if guess is equal to secret_number, print else, print oops. The code breaks out of the loop as soon as we get the correct number. This saves both time and Python's effort, doesn't it? There is also Imagine we're filtering out undesired elements in a list. The following code will skip printing even numbers: Python for I in range, if I%2 is equal to 0, continue print. See how Python just moves forward once it encounters an even number? Cool, right? Lastly, we have nested loops, which are loops inside loops, just like Russian nesting dolls. One example is when we need to find both the row and column number of a cell in a 2D array or matrix, like in this code snippet: Python for row in matrix, for column in row, print. Isn't it impressive how much Python can do with loops? And the best part: Python's flexibility with loops makes it feel like we're having a friendly chat with our code as we navigate through it. Now, I know this was a deep dive into the world of loops in Python and how essential and empowering they can be. The best part about learning is that it gives us that sense of progress and growth. Just like mastering loops in Python opens up a new world of possibilities. As you continue to explore Python, I'd love to hear your breakthroughs and insights. So here's the home stretch. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab to keep track of more helpful Python programming tutorials. Cheers till we meet again in the world of code.